Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Mo Friday. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use TapTrader to analyze coin and to also how to use the platform itself. So as you can see from here, I'm going to be picking let me use BTC USDT. All right. When I click on this, once I click on this, so it opens up this interface, right? So from this interface, we are going to set our indicators. Indicators are what we will use to do the analysis. So in this, let me just target that I'm going to learn how to set up the indicators. So I'm going to make it very short so you can at least follow through while I continue with other videos. All right. So so I'm going to click on this. You can see indicator, right? Click on indicator. So we need to add indicators, right? So we are going to add just one indicator. Then we're going to with several parameters, right? So I'm going to use a moving average. Okay, either we use moving average convergence or we use exponential moving average as EMA, or we just use moving average. So let's see if we have moving average here. Can see that here moving average, simple moving SMA. So, but I think let's just use EMA, exponential moving average. So we're going to add that. So chart, right? If I click on this, you can see it has been added, right? So we are going to add it 3 times, right? We're going to add it 3 times. It has been added for the 2nd time. We're going to add it for the 3rd time. We're going to add it for the 3rd time. So now we have it 3 times. So we are going to edit it, and we are going to edit their parameters. So follow me through. This is very important. So once we want to analyze coin using TapTrader, so we're going to click on the first one. So we're going to edit the first one. We're going to give it we're going to give it 5. We're going to change the color to green. This is already green, so we'll leave it that way. All right. So we're going to change this other one to make it 10. I'm going to change the color to, let's call it yellow. All right. So we're going to change the 3rd one to 20. Right. Let's call this one red. Okay, red. Yep. So I think we are good to go, and I think this is added already. So we have parameter 5, 10, and 20. This can be 25 too, but let's just leave it up. All right, so now you can see our lines. So the indicators are already there, showing staring at our faces. So now the line that is small, that the parameter, the number is small, which is green. Remember, I used 10 for the yellow and I used 20 for the red. So how are we going to make use of this? So I'm going to walk you guys through that quickly. So let me just close that. Can I close this shirt, man? I can't close it. What did I do? My God, I want to close this. It's not possible to minimize it. So let me make this and see if I can expand it. Oh, beautiful. Cool. This is what we need. So we need this to be very clear. So now I can the green the green line shows us if the market is going up. Very important. So the yellow line and the red are confirmation. If the green line crosses above the yellow line, it's a first confirmation that truly is going up. And if the green line crosses the red line, it truly means that it's going up. So, and what we are trading here is Bitcoin USDT. So now we are on 1 hour chart, right? So let's do a 4-hour chart. So let's take 4-hour charts. Everything will change. So it's still apply the same process. You can see the green line showing you that it's going up, but however, it has not come in contact with the yellow and red. So this is 4-hour chart. So you are trading 4 hours. So you are confident enough that this is going up. So you want to look for where to sell, but you can know when it's going up, but you don't know how high it's going. But at least you are rest assured that this chart is going to quite serious. Remember, from days ago, if following this chart, Bitcoin price actually dropped to 58. Yeah, 58, as you can see here, $58,000, which I bought. Actually, I sold when it was 60 and I bought when it was 58. So now it's going on right now. It has E61. I want to also sell too. But before I sell, I'm going to, from this trend, I can see that it's actually going up. So I'm not going to sell so that I don't sell and it goes up against me. So I'm going to stay put and observe the market until I see a sign of a decline of downtrend. Right now is uptrend. So now you have used 4 hours. So let's go to 1 day. Let's see if it is true. It's actually going up. So you go to 1 day. Go to 1 day. All right. If you go to 1 day, you can see clearly for 1 day the green. Please pay attention to the green line. Very important. You can see the green is coming down. It means that in 24 hours, Bitcoin will come down. So therefore, even if I bought at 58, I can sell at 60 right now. I can sell at the price right now with the intention that in the next 24 hours it will further come down because the green is already pointing down. It's already looking down. If you can see my screen very well, let me zoom this very well. If you can see my screen, all right, the green is already pointing its face down, and it has even it has landed on, it has even passed the yellow line. You can see very well. So that's one part I need to observe. So let's now just to clear out that if truly it's just a 1 day thing, because if you observe the 4 hours and the 1 hour shows that it's going up. So let's take a 1 week chart to see a broader picture. Or let's just do 4 days. With 4 days, it shows that Bitcoin is going up too. Then let's take 1 week. Let's take 1 week. 1 week. 1 week also shows you that it's going up. So what does that tell you? It tells you can see the green is going up and the yellow. So in an event where it's going up, let me just explain that to you. In an event where it's going up, this is going up, right? It will keep going up like that until the green take a turn in the decline. So this is just how to analyze coin for absolute beginners. There are other indicators that we can use, but this is just an introduction. This will guide you. Once you understand this very well, there are other indicators that you can use also. We have the RSI. It shows you if your market has been overbought, so you don't enter at that time. So we're talking about that. I'll be explaining that in my next video. And also another indicator, which is the Fibonacci level. Okay, it tells you a lot, and also resistance. Okay, you know if this is a resistance, so that you wait a bit. If you break if you break down the resistance, so you can know when to buy or when. So all those information are very key. So we are going to be learning that in this video. So okay, so let's just go back to where I was. So you can see in a week's time, Bitcoin price will go up. So in 4 days, this chart will change right away. In 4 days, in 4 days here, the price seems to be going up. So in 4 days. Now in a day, let's see, in a day shows that it's likely coming down. It's coming down, but I know it's gonna take a turn back to going up to where it is going up uptrend, as the 4 days and 1 week actually show us from afar in a week's time. So if you trade 4 hours time frame, now okay, this time frame I'm picking, I'm not just picking them for fun's sake. So in trading, they're all called day trader, and people use time to trade. Yeah, you trade with time. So if you excuse me. So if you keep this at 4 hours, it means that every of this candle will give you 4 hours information. So if you keep it at 4 hours, as you see here, this candle will give you another information after the next 4 hours. You can see the time is already counting here. You can see it's 2 hours already. So in the next 4 hours, it will give you another information. So if you are scalping, you want to use a shorter time frame. All right, but if you are not really bothered about the market, you are trading with a long time frame, you can just chill. From this in the indicator here, shows you that it's going up. Most likely it will hit 61 again. then still going up anyway for the 4 hours chart. So if you want to use shorter time frame, let's say 1 minute, you can see 1 minute shows live that is going down because it actually went down anyway because it's 61. Yes, it is 61, $60,000, 60.9. So it dropped. So because it's 1 hour time frames, 1 minute time frame. So in the next 1 minute, you can see the hour is already count, the seconds already counting here. This is 1 minute. So 1 minute time frame. So it will change, it will give us another information after 1 minute. So this is actually coming down. So you can see that's giving us another information. So this is counting down again. So you can see it's going up in the 1 minute time frame. So most likely with all indication here, Bitcoin price will likely go. So if you bought like I bought in at $58. So I might want to wait for it to get high until I observe if there's any downtrend, then I'll quickly buy in. But I normally use 4 hours charts to know. So it means that in the next 4 hours I'll come back to check to see what song it has taken so far. So that is the basic about understanding how indicator works with top traders. So see in my next video as I explain more, I give you more. So I really desire that people understand it because it's quite easy. You can make a lot of money if you understand how this works. And if you have the capital to put in, you come to the market with understanding and with knowledge, guys. So see you in my next video. My name is Mo Friday. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to doing more educative and more informative video as this in the next future. Thank you so much and bye-bye for now.